People love clean cars. It's a fact. A shiny car just feels good. That's why opening a car wash can be a great business. People will always need their cars cleaned. It's a service in high demand. If you do it right, you can make some serious money. Let's dive in. Listen, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing a line of customers eager to give you their money, especially when you're providing a service they need. And trust me, everyone needs a car wash. It's not just about the clean car, it's about the feeling they get when they drive away. You're in the business twisted. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. Running a successful car wash takes work. You need a plan. You need to hustle. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the payoff can be huge. So, are you ready to build an empire one clean car at a time? Let's go. Before you start picking out soap scents, you gotta do your homework. Understanding your market is crucial. Who are your potential customers? What are they willing to pay? How many competitors are in your area? First things first, find out if there's even a need for another car wash in your area. Are there already a ton of options? Or is there a car wash desert waiting for a hero? You need to know. Next, figure out who your target audience is. Are you in a busy city with lots of on-the-go professionals? Or are you in a suburb with families who want the best for their vehicles? Knowing your audience helps you tailor your services and your marketing. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Talk to people. Go to other car washes. See what they're doing right. See where they're falling short. Find your edge. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your market, the better positioned you'll be to dominate. Starting a car wash isn't free. You're gonna need some cash up front. We're talking equipment, rent, supplies, marketing, the whole 9 yards. But don't let that scare you. There are ways to fund your dream. First, figure out how much money you need. Create a detailed business plan. This isn't just for you, it's for potential investors or lenders. Show them you're serious. Next, explore your funding options. Do you have savings you can tap into? Can you get a small business loan? Are there investors out there who believe in your vision? Look, I get it. Asking for money can be intimidating, but it's a necessary part of the game. You gotta spend money to make money. So put on your big boy or girl pants and secure the bag. Section 4. Location, location, location. Picking the perfect spot. You could have the best car wash in the world, but if it's located in a back alley, nobody will find it. Choosing the right location is absolutely critical to your success. Think about visibility. You want to be located on a busy street where people can see your sign. Think about accessibility. Can cars easily get in and out of your car wash? Is there enough space? Don't forget about competition. Being near a competitor can be a good thing. It creates a car wash hub. But you need to make sure you're offering something different, something better. Consider the cost of rent or buying property. Can your business sustain the location? Factor in all these variables. The right location can make or break your car wash. Section 5. Suds and Tech Essential Car Wash Equipment. You can't run a car wash without the right equipment. We're talking about the machines that make those cars sparkle. Investing in quality equipment is crucial for efficiency and customer satisfaction. First, you'll need a good pressure washer. This is the backbone of your operation. Next, invest in a quality water reclamation system. This will save you money on water bills in the long run. Think about what kind of car wash experience you want to offer. Are you going for a touchless system, or do you want the traditional spinning brushes? Choose equipment that aligns with your vision. Don't forget about the little things like soap dispensers, vacuums, and air fresheners. These details enhance the customer experience and keep them coming back for more. Section 6. Assemble your squad, hiring and training. You can't be at the car wash 24/7, even though you might want to be. You need a team you can trust. Hiring the right people is essential for smooth operations and happy customers. Look for people who are passionate about cars, people who take pride in their work. Train them well, teach them how to use the equipment properly. Emphasize the importance of customer service. Create a positive work environment. When your employees are happy, your customers will be happy too. Remember, your team is a reflection of your business. Choose wisely. Section 7. Shout it from the rooftops, marketing your car wash. You've got the location, the equipment, the team. Now you gotta get the word out. Marketing is all about attracting customers and keeping them coming back. Start with the basics. A big, bold sign is a must. Think about local advertising, flyers, community boards, maybe even a radio ad. Get creative, use social media to your advantage. Create a Facebook page, post pictures of sparkling clean cars, run contests and giveaways, engage with your audience, offer loyalty programs, give people a reason to choose your car wash over the competition. Word of mouth is the best marketing there is. Make sure your customers are so happy they tell everyone they know. Remember, marketing is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. You gotta constantly be finding new ways to reach your audience and keep your car wash top of mind.